What's going on YouTube? OCD for EDC here. I'm here with TAC from Northwest Knives. We're at Blade Show West 2022, and if you guys are not familiar with Northwest Knives, they are located in Meridian, Idaho, which is a suburb of Boise. One of my favorite knife shops. The owner of the knife shop is right over there. That guy right there, Aaron Park. They're fantastic folks. They sell amazing knives. Just real quick, they've got a Koenig and Chris Reeve combo deal that is unbelievable. You guys go check it out. It's amazing. But we're here, we're talking with TAC. He is the sales manager on the floor, so you can go to Meridian, see him in person. What do you got for us, TAC?
Great introduction, my friend. You've said it all, but I'm going to add on top of that just a little bit. So we are in Meridian, Idaho. Our shop is a little bit different. So our shop is really going to specialize in high-end American. We do have some sprinkles of German, some Japanese, some Italian. But the point is we have good steel. All across the board is all good steel. Because I've always said there's no such thing as a good knife with poor steel, right?
Absolutely.
The steel is the heart of the tool. So cool thing about us too, we are brick and mortar, so you can come in the showroom, check us out. I'm there usually 5 days a week. And then also northwestknives.com. We have a lot of our inventory out there, which is really, really cool. And again, we do a lot of exclusives. We're big enough to work with companies like ProTech, Chris Reeve, Bill Koenig, where we get exclusives through them. But then we also get just some really one-off, or not one-off, but like some really limited knives from like Microtech and all these other companies. So our website has it all. It's got a live inventory. If it says sold out, you can click on the bottom left, notify me when available, and you'll get a notification within 2 minutes of us receiving that knife, which is really cool because I know how you knife guys are. You want a knife, you get your mindset on it, and then you get it
now.
You want it now. Yep.
Absolutely. That is so cool. So real quick, a few people stepped away, so I'm going to show you a little bit of what they got on the table. They have awesome t-shirts, by the way. Here is the Chris Reeve and Bill Koenig Arius. It's a Sebenza 31 olive drab green.
Yeah, OD green.
OD green.
Yes.
And black blades. The Arius is beautiful. They're a numbered pair. So if you guys don't already know, Koenig and Chris Reeve knives are both made right in Boise, Idaho, or in that vicinity anyway. I think you had 5 sets of these.
Yes,
there's
going to be 5. Yep.
5 sets. They're amazing. Obviously, the pair is one of 5, and that's it. You can only get them at Northwest Knives. But seriously, guys, check out this selection. And they only brought a few things. I've been to this shop multiple times. Like I said, it's one of my favorite knife shops. And they have an amazing selection of stuff, all high-end, good quality things. And so check them out. You got anything left you want to say, TAC?
No, I want to thank you for putting me on your channel. You guys, like I said again, northwestknives.com is going to be our website if you want to visit us. Meridian, Idaho is basically Boise, so it's not far away from Boise. We're basically, if you walk out 100 feet from our shop, you see you're in Boise. So
and
appreciate all you guys.
If you've never been to Boise, Boise is amazing.
Yes.
So cool place to go and visit for sure.
For sure. So I appreciate you guys.
Right on. Thanks so much.
Thank
you. Have a good one.